Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're going to be looking at the code module. And the code module is great for letting you embed just about anything you want, and you can add JavaScripts, you can add all kind of things with the code module. So let's get started. I've got my Visual Builder enabled here. I've got a section with a row with a couple of columns in it. Let's add a code block here. If we go down, there's a code block. I move this over. You can write any HTML in there, you can put script in there, you can put what you want. So if I was to put a H1 as you can see, it prints it out there, and you can do that with all kind of stuff. But also you can embed stuff in there. Like I say, you can build your own stuff with HTML and CSS. You could style that now if you wanted to. But of course we've got our text modules to do all this, but this is just an example. But you can embed some great things in there. I've got a little bit of audio player HTML written here. Let's put that in there instead. Get rid of that. That was just an example. And there we've got an audio player. And a lot of places on the web will give you little snippets of HTML and code that you can paste into your site to do various things. This is where you do it. Another great thing, you can paste a YouTube or Vimeo video. If we go to YouTube here, I've got a YouTube video. You can just hit the share, hit the embed, copy the embed code, little copy button down there, and let's add a new code block just below this. There we go, simple as that, and that'll play in your browser, as will this. Now, another great feature with the code block, I find, it's great for embedding live Google Maps. Recently, Google requires you to have an API key to use many modules that use Google Maps. Let's actually add a new row for this particular example. I'll have a single column. Inside there, let's put a code block. And let's go to Google. I'm simply gone to Google. I've typed in maps to get to Google Maps. I've got the White House address here. Sort of zoom out or zoom in to where you want your map to, the area you want your map to cover. Hit the share button. Embed a map right there. Copy the HTML. Let's go back to our site here. Paste it in here. And there we've got a live Google map. I'll move this out of the way. That's actually a live map. You can scroll around, find destinations, get directions, what have you. Now, again, that's a great little thing for the code snippets. If you wanted to make that full width, we could just go in there. Let's make our map itself full width. So if we go in there, down here we've got a width right there, 600. I'm going to change that to 100%. It'll fill up the available space then. As you can see, it's filled up our whole little row there. If you wanted that to be full width, you could simply make your row full width. Go into the row settings, to the design, sizing, pull the width up to 100%, copy the 100%, or just type it in below at max width, and that'll force it to be full width there. And as you can see, you've got a full width live Google map. So there's a little code module explained for you. There's many other uses for it. It's really useful. Like you say, you can write your own code. You can use JavaScript in there. You can embed all kind of different things. So I hope you found that useful and enjoyed it. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and WebDesignAndTechTips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.